A single lightning strike generates enough energy to light up 150 million light bulbs. If the tidal movement of the seas could be harnessed, over 20% of the world's energy requirements could be met. Every hour, enough sunlight energy reaches the Earth to meet the world's energy demand for a whole year. In a world where the demand for quality power that's reliable and economically viable is ever rising, one company has realized the wisdom of generating power from knowledge. KSK Energy Ventures Ltd. A power project development company with an established track record of developing and operating multi-fuel, multi-location power plants, KSK has used knowledge to give it a competitive edge.
We believe that the key to power generation is competitiveness.
Competitiveness that at KSK stems from knowledge of all the segments of the power sector. Knowledge that comes from experience, from keenly developed instincts, and also from the ability to innovate. Which is how, from a host of fuels in a variety of topographies, KSK has conceived and commissioned unique power solutions for a wide range of industrial customers.
From concept to commissioning, our competence has enabled us to build 9 plants in 6 states in only 8 years, with every conceivable fuel like coal, natural gas, heavy oil, hydro and lignite.
This experience has given KSK the confidence to build mega projects across the country. Projects that KSK has evolved around the 4 building blocks of power generation: fuel, execution, off-taker and capital. Projects that KSK has conceived and commissioned
by closely monitoring the evolving policies of the central and state governments, besides the general economic trends.
Projects that are designed to enhance value and deliver competitive power, sustained power, quicker power, staying power, economic power, seamless power. KSK today is a company with 9,000 megawatts in the pipeline. It has firmly tied up enough energy sources to cater to these projects for the next 3 decades. With optimization of costs and a substantial reduction in setup time in mind, KSK has standardized its power plants so they are built around either 43 megawatt, 135 megawatt or 600 megawatt modules. This streamlines the sourcing process, facilitates efficient inventory management and reduces the post-commissioning stabilization period.
Project execution is all about challenges.
This strategic standardization reduces the overall challenges of project execution.
Our solution has resulted in endorsement by multinationals, large Indian business houses, various state government agencies, international investors like Lehman and the investors from UK and so on.
The philosophy of exceeding customer expectations has made it possible for KSK to deliver not just a best-in-class product, but also a top-of-the-line experience enjoyed by the cream of Indian industry.
KSK's strategy is to work with major international and Indian business houses and state utilities so as to ensure that they have access to economically priced and dependable sources of electrical energy.
KSK adopts a unique partnership approach to almost every facet of its business.
Innovative approaches of KSK in this area has led to the customer participating in capital formation
and obtaining power as his return on capital in lieu of financial return. KSK offers to develop, implement, own and manage end-to-end power solutions.
KSK has a unique business model in which it not only creates a generating asset but also acts as a load manager to meet the entire power requirement of the customer.
While catering to discerning customers, tying up long-term fuel supply arrangements and exploring new avenues of capital formation, KSK also ensures that
manpower availability should never be the limitation to the company's growth plan.
Another KSK innovation is the way it capitalizes on its multiple revenue streams. As KSK takes step after innovative step in its journey towards domain dominance.
What really separates this company from others is the deep understanding of the promoters of the complex electricity laws that govern the sector, and their ability to innovate and to enter into spaces where no one has been before.
Today, the strength of KSK depends not just on the innovative leadership that we have, not on the commitment and competence of the executives and employees, but on the bonds that we have forged.
Bonds with leaders of industry and finance. Bonds with customers and suppliers alike. And most importantly, the bonds that KSK has forged with knowledge.